Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Lumion 10. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about the materials in the Lumion, how you can start with the materials. So this is my Revit project of villa and I have imported it in Lumion. So these all are basic Revit materials, so we need some Lumion materials to make it more realistic. So I am going to this symbol here. This symbol is for material. So if you want to apply material, first I am going to select this, and after this it is asking click on an imported model to modify its material. So I am going to first change the material of this extrusion here of window shade here. So I want to change the material of this, so I am going to select this. If you select this, then you can change the material and material library will open. You can see here, this is the material library, and in material library you can see some terms here: various, indoor, outdoor, and these are custom materials and these are the new materials. So, and this is the symbol of billboard, and you can apply color also, glass and advanced in Lumion 10, and this is to make invisible. So if you want to make any object invisible, you can use this is for landscape and light map, and this is for standard materials. You can reload any materials from Google. I will show you. And this is for water, and this is waterfall, and this is for imported material. So I will make you understand about some of these basic terms one by one. So this is the basic introduction. If I am going to click this various here, you can see under various there are 2D grass here, 3D grass, rock, soil, water, woodland, leaves, aged, and fur. So if you I'm going to select this 2D grass here, this is default. You can see some types of 2D grass. So if you want to change the material of this, so I am going to select this, and now I am going to this various, and I will go to this 2D grass and I will double click on this, and you can see this material is applied here on our this ground. And you can change the colorization of this material. You can if you click this, this will open, and you can change colorization from here. If I am dragging this color towards, so you can see this color is changing, and this is the color palette here. If I make more green here, if you will increase this color intensity, it will become more greener. So, and you can reduce to make it default color, which is this one. And this is for making this material more gloss. If you want more gloss, you can increase or you can reduce it. So this is grass, so we don't need gloss. And this is for showing reflectivity here, and this is for relief, and this is the increasing the material scale. Can increase or decrease the material scale here. So this is grass, so I'm going to increase bit, and I will show you about this in the next material. So now this material is applied. If you want to again change this, you can click this and you can apply another grass here, types of grass. Suppose if I am going to apply, I want to apply this ground 025 02048. So I will click this and this material is applied. You can simply change the material and you can find your suitable materials here. So after this, this one is 3D grass here. So if I am going to select this 3D grass, you can see some 3D elements here. So if I am clicking any circular grass here, you will see 3D effect here. These all are 3D grass. Can use any of this also. Farm grass, checkboard grass. So for timing, I am going to apply any 2D grass. So this one is for rock, And if I'm clicking this, these are the rocks which you can apply anywhere. Suppose I want to apply this rock pattern here, and I can go to various, and I can apply rock pattern here. I can select any rock here, and you can apply rock pattern here. And if you will double click this window will open landscape, this material, and you can change again color here, glossiness, reflectivity, relief, and scale also you can adjust from this. So these all tools is same, these settings are similar for all materials. And now I will show this one. If you this is for positioning of your material here. If you move towards X, you can see this materials is getting positioning according to X offset. If I am increasing or decreasing, you can see the changes here. And this is for Y offset, and this is for Z offset. So likewise you can adjust your material. So you should do a regular practice, and by doing your own project you can learn this Lumion basic settings here. This is the orientation. So this is the orientation of the material. So if I am clicking, if you want your heading, if I will tell you about this orientation. I am going to apply some material here. I will apply any wood material here, and I will go and apply any wood material, and you can see the changes now. If I am doing changes in heading, you can see these are changing in heading. If you want to change the pitch also, you can change this pitch, and bank also you can change the material banks also. Next is transparency. So if you want waxiness and transparency, you can simply increase this, and if you render, it will show some other effects. If you want transparency, you can select this, and this will be transparent material here. This is waxiness, and this is transparency. You can increase or decrease the transparency of material here. So I will select this default waxiness here. And now the next one, and settings. So this is the settings. If you want your material to be more emissive, means it should reflect some lighting, so you can select this. So if I am going to change this material, and I will go to indoor here, and I want to apply any plastic material here, and I will apply any plastic material here. And now if I am going to this transparency here, and if I want this to reflect some lighting, you can use this emissive here. And if I am increasing, you can see this is becoming more emissive, and it is showing as a light source. If you will increase more, it will be like a light pattern here, you can see. So if you want to show any lighting effect in any object, you can use this emissive, then that object will reflect light. So this is for weathering. And if you want to make any stone weathering here, you can increase this size, and it will show some weathering effect. And this is foliage. So this will show some foliage effect also, and you can apply some foliage effect also. So slowly you can learn these Lumion techniques, and also change leaf type here. So now I am going to change this material, and you can also change foliage from going to this various, and now I am going to select this one, leaves. If I am going to select these leaves, and I will select this one, and you can see this foliage is applied here. So you can, after this you can spread, you can adjust the leaf size, and also if you increase this leaf type, the leaf color will change here. Slowly if I am increasing, you can see different types of color is getting applied on the leaves, and you can change the leaf type also. You can see this is the different mix of colors in these edges. So now this one is spread pattern offset. If you want to change the pattern offset, you can increase or decrease, and can adjust to your suitable look here. So this is the use of leaves. So next is, this is the soil. So if you want to apply any soil material, you can use this. So if I am going to select this one and I want to apply soil material, I will go to this soil and select this soil here, and I want this kind of soil, and you can see this is applied here. This is the soil, and you will double click, you will come to this default settings. You can adjust the map scale from here. So now I will again double click. This one is for applying water effect, so I am going to select this water here, and if you select this water, you can see this pool effect. This one is black water, this is blue lake and blue ocean. These are the different types of water effects. So if I am going to apply pool effect here, azure pool, I will double click, and you can see this has changed to water material here of pool effect. And likewise, if you are creating swimming pool, you can apply this kind of water material. You can adjust this wave height and this glossiness effect here, and this will change the wave scale here. If you want more waves, you can increase this, and this is the caustic scale. So you can adjust and make it to look more realistic, and this is so reflective. This will increase the foam in the water, and if you want to increase foaminess, so you can increase this, or you can reduce this also. This one is the border displacement, you can adjust accordingly. And if you want to change this water material, you can go to this black water effect also. You can apply black wave. Likewise, you can choose these waters according to your scene requirements or design requirements. So now this one is woodland. Want to apply some wood effect here. Suppose if you are creating any play escape area or children's park, if you want this kind of effect, you can select this, and the settings will apply the same. And this one is for leaves, and this is the looking old materials, aged material. So if you want to show any aged iron effect, you can select this types of materials. Some rustic iron effect. So likewise, and this one is fur effect. So if you want to show any fur effect also, you can select this one, green fur. And likewise, you can change the fur effect here, and you can double click and adjust the settings here. So this is the settings in various. These are indoor. So in indoor there are some materials, and this is fabric. You want to show any indoor materials in your scene, and if you want to change, suppose if I want to change this flooring, so I will quickly go to our interior, and this is just to make you understand. So if I want to change this kitchen slab material here also, I am going to select this. I will go to indoor here and I want to change this slab material, so I will go here stone. This is, we are in indoor and these are stone. If I am clicking this, you can see this marble here, black marble, green marble. There are variety of materials here, so I am going to select this black marble here and you can see this is applied in our indoors interior scene of kitchen. And likewise you can change the scale here, can increase or decrease. And if you want to change the interior flooring, you can select this and I will go to interior and we can select this wood here and I want to apply wooden flooring here, so I will click this and you can see this is the wooden flooring which is applied here. And you can change the reflectivity here, you can see, and glossiness also you can change. So this is the wooden flooring material. You can also adjust this scale here and increase or decrease. So these are the interior materials here, like fabric, glass, leather. If you want to change the furniture leather color also, you can use this leather. These are metals and these are plasters. This is flooring just now we have applied, and these are tile effect. If you want tile effect, you can select this and you can apply any tile effect in this kitchen area. So you can adjust with reflectivity here and glossiness. So, and you can also adjust the scale size here. So Lumion is not that difficult. So you can give a stone effect also, and these are the plastic and these are curtains. If we want to apply curtains also in on any curtains, you can want to apply materials in Lumion, it is having some default curtains here, you can apply this also. So this is for setting of indoor materials. This is for outdoor materials, and you can see some outdoor materials. And again, if I am going to my outdoor area here and I want to apply this outdoor material, so this one is bricks here. So if I am going to select this brick, I want to apply this brick here, so I will select this and again double click on this. I will go to this outdoor and I will apply this brick effect here. So you can see this is the bricks. So generally we use this for walls here. So I will cross this, cancel these changes, and I will go and select this wall, any wall here, and now I will show you. You can go to outdoor and you can go to this bricks and you can select any of the brick size here, and you can see this is being applied here. And you can also double click this and you can adjust with the scale here. And you can also make these settings like colorization, glossiness and effects. You can change the material bricks here. So if I am going to outdoor, next is concrete. So if you want to give any concrete effect on any suppose if I am going to change this pathway, I want concrete effect, I will select this and I will go to outdoor and select this concrete effect here. And in concrete there are various types of concrete, so you can apply any concrete material here and this pathway will change according to. So if you go in outdoor and you can see some glass effect also. So if you want to change the material of this window, we can select this glass of window, and I will double click this, and I will go to outdoor, and now I will select glass, and you can apply any glass effect here. Suppose if I want this architectural glass 007, I will double click this, and you can see this glass is applied here. Now I will show you some more settings in Lumion. So I am going to double click this, and after this you can see this is for applying metals. You will select this. You can see some various types of metal like diamond plate, metal painted, and you can change the metal color also. Suppose I am going to change this material color, and I want to apply any metal effect here. I will go to this outdoor, and I can select this metal, and if I can want to apply this metal painted 002 1024, I can simply double click this, or I will show you some darker color. You can see this railing color is changed, and it is applied this metal painted. And likewise you can do settings in Lumion with materials. And if I will go double click this, and you can see this is the plaster effect. You will select this. You can change any plaster effect also. This is for changing roofing of the material of the roofs here. And this is for a stone. If you select this, you can see various types of stones here. And this is the wood effect. If you want to change the wood of any doors and exterior of the building, you can use this wood effect. And this is for asphalt. This is for road object. So I have given complete introduction of this material. And if you go here, new, if you click new, you can see this is the billboard. I will come into this. If I will select this, you can see this billboard here. And I will make another tutorial about this billboard. If you want to change the paint of the wall or any other material, you can select this color and you can apply. If you want to change this color of this terrace here, you can select this, and you can go to this one color, and you can apply any color here. So I am again going to this one is for glass effect. This is for some glass advance, and there are some texture of glass, and you can do some settings into this also. This is for making any invisible in any object. If you want to make invisible, you can select this. If I am going to select this one, and I am going to double click this, and I am going to select this one new, and I am going to select this invisible here. You can see this object is disappeared and it is invisible. But if you bring your mouse there, you can also select this material, and you can later on, if you want to make it visible, you can apply any material here, and you can apply any material. So now I will quickly show you this building, and I will apply some quick materials so that it will look more realistic. So now you have understood some basic settings of this material. You click new, you can use this. And I forgot to tell you about this standard material. If you want to apply your own material, if I want to apply any other texture on this plane here, I will go to this one standard, and you can apply your own map here. This is default here, and you can, after selecting this standard, you can choose color map and choose normal map. So you can apply materials from this. So I am going to select this one, double click this, and I am going to my download folders. I want to apply this material here, so I will select this one, and I will open, and you can see this is applied to our plane, and you can change the scale also. So you can apply your own material also with the help of this standard material library, which is located in this one, new and standard material. This is the water effect, and this is the waterfall will come into this, and this is the imported material. If you want to save this material, you can select this one and you can copy this also, save material to custom materials, and also you can load from here and you can save material here with this save, and you can save anywhere with the Lumion material. You can save material to custom material, you can select this and you can save this as a custom standard material. And also various so now I will apply any waterfall effect here. If I am going to select this water, I want to change this, I will select this one, and you can see this is water effect, and I am going to change the caustic scale, wave scale also it can increase or decrease, wave height also can change, and foaminess also you can increase or decrease from this. I will apply any marble material here. I will select this one and I am going to apply marble material. I can go to this indoor and I want this green marble here. I will select this green marble and you can see this marble is applied here. You can scroll through your mouse wheel and now this marble is applied, and I can see this fountain is of this marble color. You can apply any other black marble also or any marble color. You can select this. Next I am going to change this edges also, and I will apply leaves. I have told you how to do this, and I am going to double click this and I will go to this various and now leaves, and I will apply this one mix color effect also, and you can adjust the spread of the leaves. I will reduce this leaf size also, you can reduce, and leaf type also you can, if you want you can change this leaf type also. And after finishing you can save changes. So I want to change the material of this, so I will select this and I will go to indoor and I will select again marble here, and I want this green only, green marble here, and I will apply. After this you can adjust this reflectivity and glossiness. And this area I want lawn here, so I will apply various and I will apply any grass effect here. And now I will change this column material also. I will click this and I want to apply stone here, so I will use this white marble here, and we can change the scale. And now I want to change this brick color also, I will apply some paint here. I will double click this. Again I will double click here and I will go to this one, new, and I will use this brush shape here and I will apply any color here, a light cream color, and I will finish this. Again I am going to change this color here, and I will do some other shades here. Now I will want to change the door material here. I will select this door material and I will go to outdoor and I will go to this wood and I can apply any Hollywood fine texture here, and you can see this door material is changed and it is looking more realistic. You can change the map scale here. You can also increase the reflectivity, glossiness, and also window material also I will change. I will go to outdoor, this wood, and I will change the window material also. So likewise you can do. Now I will show how to change the roof material. So this is a default roof material in Revit. So I am going to select this one and I will go to this outdoor and I will select this roofing, and you can apply any roofing tiles here. So I am going to apply this one. If I am going to apply this poly roof tiles, you can apply this one also, and you can change also if you are not satisfied. You can apply any roofing materials here. So I am going to stick with this one. I'll double click this, and you can change the color also if you want, and you can also adjust the map scale size here, and other settings are as usual in other materials. So you can also change this roof material also. I'm going to outdoor and I will apply this roofing material here, and I will finish this. And now I want to change the railing material again from this metal painted to stainless steel. So I will go to this and I will go to indoor and I will use this metal here in indoor, and I will select this aluminum shining effect here. I will finish this, and you can see this is much more shining, this railing. And now these are the lights. If you want to change this lighting, you can select this, and I will show how to make lights material here. And you can use this one and you can apply any material. Like suppose I am going to apply this plastic effect here, and I will go to this one, settings here, and you can give this emissive effect here. You can see, if you are increasing this lighting effect is coming here. If you want more lighting effect, you can increase. So we will make tutorials in rendering part, so you can give lighting effect also. So if you want to change this slab color also, you can change this, and you can also give any wood material effect if you want, and I will show you. So suppose if you want to give any wooden effect here, you can select this and go to outdoor and select this wood here, and wood effect will come here. You can apply any other wood also, and you can increase the color here. You can change the color and reflectivity and scale. So these are the some settings in material you can do to make your scene more realistic. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more settings in Lumion. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.